Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on and off sound effects on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, once you are at your home page, scroll down to the last section and click on settings. Scroll down until you find the app settings section and tap on the first option, sound effects. So click on this button in the right side. Once it turns to green, it means that sound effects have been turned on, meaning that you are going to hear sounds while using the app. However, if you want to turn it off, click on the green button, and once it turns to white, it means that you won't hear distracting sounds while using the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.